back to my channel. Cheryl here. My name is Cheryl. I make videos about wellness, skincare, lifestyle, education, and fashion related. If you're interested in all this content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever there's a new video. Today's video is another first impression skincare review. I'll be demonstrating this set of products by YTTP. So if you're interested, keep watching. First thing first, this is by YTTP. You know, I'm pretty sure this is a holiday set. It's called The Power of 3. Don't know if you will still be able to get it after the holiday season. Sephora is sold out online, so if you want this, you know, you have to go into the store to get it. I got it before Christmas. I feel really lucky that I stashed this one. It retails for $44 US dollars. Canadian dollar would be like $58. It comes in this tin container. This is how they package these three products. The first thing is the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. It's probably like a smaller sample. And the second one, the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. I really like the packaging. It feels like very solid, you know, glass jar. This might be just plastic lid. And then we're gonna pull out this actual regular size of the cleanser. It's glass jar. I love the packaging that's like environmentally friendly, you know, less plastic. This is the Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. This is one of the most exciting products recently come across. A simple packaging and just very sleek looking. Use 1 to 2 times a day. It comes with this cleanser pump. It's easy enough for you to actually pump the product out instead of, you know, you don't know, like you might be pouring too much without the pump. It has one of these little booklet from YTTP. Comes with this container. It's a little sample. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. So you can try it out. Anyways, I'm really happy about this container. I've seen YTTP their own demonstration website. They show you how to upcycle this tin container. You can use it as like for storage, you know, or you can use it as like a vase. So I thought it's pretty cool. Currently I have this cleanser and the moisture cream, and I'll be trying these two out. For the Dream Mask, probably try it tonight, you know. I will still include my review in this video. I'm just gonna start with the cleanser first. Wow, it has a very refreshing, it smells definitely citrusy, almost like a little bit of fruity scent. It's very natural, it's definitely not like strong, overpowering. I'm obsessed with this scent. Anyways, we're just gonna put the pump in there. All glass. The pump is just, you know, plastic. They're doing great, and for the glass bottle and just like simple design, I'm very happy about this packaging. And I'm just gonna twist this open. Okay, just wet my face. I want to see like what's the direction of this cleanser. Put into damp hands and rub together to create a light lather. Massage into face and neck for 30 seconds to activate a cold press antioxidant. Rinse. Probably a pump. Put a little bit of water. These lathers are pretty soft. It feels really nice. You know, I'm rubbing in my palm. And because my face is wet, I'm just gonna put it on my face for 30 seconds, massaging it. And I have a sunscreen and a little bit of brow gel. Not much. Oh, and the lipstick. It's very gentle. It's not foamy. Okay, it's around there. I'm gonna rinse it off. So I just rinse it off. You know, there's still water on my face. I'm gonna dry my face a little bit. And look at my skin. It feels really good. When I was using it, it barely felt anything. I don't feel any dryness afterwards because I do have combination a little towards the drier side in the winter. Next, I'm going to try out this moisture cream. Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. So adaptogen is actually a natural substance. It helps with inflammation in the skin. So if you're dealing with, say, breakouts or some sort of irritation on the skin, this would be a really good moisturizer. Let's see if this is going to be a great face cream. Comes in this little glass jar, kind of very whippy face cream. I don't want to put my finger in there, so I'm just going to use applicator to get a little bit of the product. It feels really lightweight, so I'm just going to put on the skin. It doesn't really smell anything, so great. It's probably fragrance. It's just fragrance-free type. Feels really nice. Just looking at it, it feels like it's like a cream. But when you put it on your face, it just melts into your skin. So this will be a good product for people with drier skin type. It does have a little scent, not like a fragrance, more like an earthy kind of earthiness to it. It could be from that ingredient ashwagandha and reishi pentapeptide. Skin feels moisturized. Deep moisture cream. Don't let this descriptive word scare you. It's not like heavy. It's more like making your skin well moisturized. The third product that I'll be trying out tonight is the Superberry Hydrate Glow Dream Mask. This one comes in a glass container as well. But because it's an overnight mask, I'm gonna try it out before I go to bed and see the result in the morning. So once you open it, there's like a little seal to protect the product, like a mellow yellow kind of shade. The product looks very creamy. Alrighty, so I did try out this mask last night, and obviously this is a separate day of filming. Knowing this mask is an overnight mask that's supposed to hydrate, plump, and brighten skin tone with vitamin C, antioxidant-rich super berries, squalane, and hyaluronic acid. You know, all these ingredients sound really good for the skin. If the texture is heavy, that is not meant for all skin types. So especially if you do have oily skin type, combination oil, or combination skin type, I don't know if this is the mask for you. It's a personal thing that I did not like when a mask just sits on top. You know, it feels like a balm. I'm not knocking this mask. It's a good mask if you have drier skin type. But if you happen to have oilier skin type or just normal combination oily, I think there are better masks out on the market. But to me personally, this one feels a little heavy, almost a little bit of suffocating when I was applying it to my skin. Even though right now it's like winter time, it feels heavy, you know, on the skin. And I didn't really apply too much. Applied just the right amount to my whole face, but still it felt a little balmy. I guess for like an overnight mask, I'm looking for a mask that absorbs as nicely as a moisture cream like this one comes in this set. I really enjoy this product. You know, I think it works really great for combination gel. It would work for most of the skin types. Overall, I enjoy the moisture cream, the cleanser, but for the overnight mask, I think I'm on the hunt for another one. I might just give it to my mom who has drier skin type. I hope this video actually helps you to know a little more about this set. So that completes today's first impression skincare review of this holiday set by YTTP. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in this product, make sure you check out the link in the description box below. If you're interested in any other things outside of my channel, you can follow my Instagram account. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.